It's time to Ask an Expert, where we answer everyday questions to help you better understand your home and the home improvement industry. Today, as normal, I'm with Gregg Cantor, our resident expert from Murray Lampert Design, Build, Remodel. And Greg, we're talking today about people that may not be happy with their home, thinking they might need a remodel, but not knowing where to start. How common do you think that is? Do you think there's people out there that are just unhappy with their home and don't know that first step?
There's a lot of people out there living with their homes, usually older homes, but sometimes newer homes that just were laid out poorly to start with, and they don't really know where to start.
And I think from my experience, when you don't know where to start, oftentimes you just end up putting up with it and living with it and kind of get a paralysis because of that fear of making the wrong call on your first step.
That can happen, or sometimes people piecemeal things and then they end up tearing up things that they've paid for.
Yeah, that makes sense. There are things that somebody can do even before they call on a professional to help give them a better sense of what they want, correct?
Correct. I mean, I recommend inspiration images, going online and just capture some photos, but also go to, when you're at people's homes, and take pictures of features that you like in other homes, or go to model homes and get ideas, or it's a great place to start.
Yeah, model homes are great, or other people's homes. I just walk into my neighbors' houses randomly and take pictures of their kitchens and things, and they get a little frustrated, but no, just kidding. But I think the model homes are a great way to do it. Online, there's some great resources, and we might even have some of those available for people to be able to find some good resources. Once they've got that, what would be the next step somebody would take?
To have a consultation with a reputable company, and a company that's going to listen to your needs, not just tell you what they think you should have.
So somebody that is going to ask you questions about what your desires are, maybe what you're unhappy with now, what you're looking for. So it's a really consultative approach you're looking for at that point.
Absolutely.
Somebody that's going to translate for you. How much do you feel like the unhappiness stems from functional areas of the home versus aesthetic areas of the home?
It's both, but a lot of homes are just laid out in a way that's not conducive to their living style.
So maybe older homes that might be a little bit more broken up and not have that open floor plan.
Compartmentalized, and bathrooms that are very closed in, kitchens that aren't an open space. Like, that's what people mostly want, is an open family room and kitchen.
With those, when you start with somebody that is able to give you the guidance, can you come in there, and oftentimes people think they might not be able to do something because they think it's impossible to move something, or something might be load-bearing wall, and you're able to open their eyes to different possibilities?
We do, and we assess the situation and come up with costs up front for the different parts of the home.
So budget does play a big part of that. It comes in as something that's part of that evaluation process that you're able to help people with, and a good company will be. If you have questions for our experts, or want to see more information on previous questions, or if you want a little bit more about this topic, it's going to be available for you in the Ask an Expert section on ApprovedHomePros.com.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And when you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips covering topics in all areas of home improvement. So hit that subscribe button below for quick and easy access to everything you need to know about your home.